The back of my Porsche Cayenne is always filled with junk and it's getting stuff dirty, scuffed up. So I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a bunch of stuff that rattles around in the back of my cargo space back here. Scuffs things up, gets things dirty. I've had this little protector in the bottom here, but as you can see, stuff falls around it, liquids fall on it, and then drain into the carpet. Anyway, I want to really keep this protected, and I picked up this WeatherTech Cargo Liner because they make custom-sized liners for your particular car. So I want to get it in here and see if it's going to help out my car, because I use this truck to pick up parts, hardware, firewood in the winter, move around yard stuff in the summer. So let's see if we can get this sucker in and what it looks like. So here's the box it comes in. Now, what I have loved about WeatherTech in the past is primarily the fact that they make custom stuff. So it is meant to fit cars. They generally make things that are based on laser scans of actual cars, so they fit really well, but then they are just really high quality pieces of equipment. And on top of that, they are made here in America, so right down in Bolingbrook, which is another suburb of Chicago here. But if you look at this, it is a very heavy duty but flexible plastic. Even the underside here, which you won't see, has some texturing, so it should give it nice structure, and that is reflected on the top part here, where we have this little bit of grippy texture on there. You can see the raised pieces. It also has these channels that are molded in there too, so if you spill some liquid, it should hold it and kind of elevate things off it and not let things get really soaked. You can see that we have a really big lip liner here, so hopefully stuff like this that either runs off the side or falls off the side is going to get caught by this. And then even down here, there's still a lip on the outer edge, but it's smaller so that you don't have something high that you have to lift over your cargo. We also have the WeatherTech logo molded in there too, so that's pretty clever. So it has been rolled up a little while here, but I can tell you that as I push it in, I can tell you that, man, that is just a fantastic fit on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and let this settle down, and then we'll get all our gear back in here and start trying it out. All right. I love it, man. This thing is great. It is a lot easier to beat up something like this and replace it than it is your car and get it reupholstered. So if you want something like this, that's going to add a lot of protection and look like it is a factory piece of your car, I think you can't go wrong with this. WeatherTech, they've been making great stuff. I've tried out a lot of their stuff, from the trailer hitch step here to all-weather floor mats, and really have loved everything that I've picked up from them, including this new trunk liner here. So hopefully this will serve me well for the coming years. If you want to pick up one of these fitted cargo mats for your vehicle, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.